Are you trying to open a WEBP image, but your device or favorite application doesn't support it? Need to convert WEBP images into PNG format without installing any software? Softaken WEBP to PNG Online free is the fast, secure, and hassle-free solution. Problem: WEBP is a modern image format that helps reduce file size while maintaining quality. However, many websites, editing tools, and older applications still don't fully support WEBP files. Because of this, users often face problems like unable to open WEBP images, compatibility issues with software, difficulty editing or sharing WEBP files, time wasted searching for complicated conversion tools. Solution: with Softaken WEBP to PNG Online free, converting your images takes only a few clicks. Simply upload your WEBP image. The tool automatically converts it into a high-quality PNG file while preserving image clarity, transparency, colors, and details. No software installation. No technical knowledge required. Just upload, convert, and download instantly. Benefits of WEBP to PNG. Secure conversion. Your files are processed safely. 100% free. Convert WEBP to PNG at no cost. Fast processing. Convert images in just seconds. No installation. Works directly in your browser. How to use. Step 1. Upload your WEBP image. Select or drag and drop your WEBP image into the converter. Multiple WEBP files are also supported for quick processing. Step 2. Convert to PNG. The tool automatically converts your WEBP image into a high-quality PNG while preserving transparency, colors, and image quality. Step 3. Download PNG file. Preview your converted PNG image and download it instantly to your device. No watermark, no quality loss. Stop struggling with unsupported WEBP images. Convert them into high-quality PNG files quickly and easily with Softaken WEBP to PNG Online free. Visit the Softaken Online Document Toolkit today and start converting your WEBP images for free. Thanks for watching.